I did not know about tense. Even I don't have basic vocabularies to speak English. After joining this, I get interested in finance. And earlier, I think that I heard about share market, but I am not interested, and I think that that is gamble.
पहले इसको डर था कि अगर मैं योगा करूंगा ना तो दुबला पतला हो जाऊंगा, लेकिन इसका डर खत्म हुआ और इसने 10 दिन में शीर्षासन सीख लिया.
I am very lean and thin, so why should I take yoga? If I take yoga,
Very good job, Manish. He is learning. Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor. My name is Prakash Singh Azad, and today I would like to introduce a boy. This is Manish Kumar Yadav. He joined this coaching 9 months ago, I guess 9 or 10 months ago. How many months ago?
sir, around 10 months ago. Sir.
10 months ago. But he was absent from the coaching for 4 months without any information or application. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
What a good job. It's good job.
Yes, sir.
Since starting, I mean, when he joined this coaching, he used to ask me a question every day, like nowadays Shubham ask me, "Sir, when will I learn English?" He used to ask me repeatedly for 2 months or 3 months. I told him one thing always, that have patience, keep working hard, follow the guidelines which is given by My Career Doctor. Of course he followed, and he started following after some months, not in the starting. Today you will check his performance, and it is also necessary to tell because he comes from Hindi medium. So he'll tell you what was his performance before joining, how much confusion he had in the starting, and how much comfortable does he feel right now. But before starting, I want you to give your quick introduction for 30 seconds around only.
Well, my name is Manish Kumar Yadav, and I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. And currently I am pursuing graduation from Lalit Narayan Mithila University. My hobbies are to read books and listen to music. My short-term goal is to develop my communication skill, and long-term goal is to serve our society.
Very good job. So Manish, can you tell us please that how did you come to know about this coaching?
Because of social media, sir, I know about this institute. Sir, earlier when I come Darbhanga, sir, I roaming many places in Darbhanga to find a good coaching, but I unable to find coaching. And lastly, I am frustrated, I am disappointed that in Darbhanga there is no good coaching of English where I learn. But my elder brother, he pressurized me to know there must be there should be coaching. You need to find, so you go and find. Because of his pressure, I searched many time on YouTube which is the best coaching of Darbhanga. Then I saw 2-3 video of this institute, and
you tell me, what was your condition before joining this coaching? Shubham, what was your condition before joining this coaching, and how much did you improve after joining this platform?
Earlier, sir, before I joining, I did not know about tense. Even I don't have basic vocabularies to speak English. After joining this and follows your all instruction, I am able to speak English. Now I can speak English confidently.
Was this journey easy or difficult?
Sir, if I tell, sir, honestly, I am from Hindi medium background, so sir, I face little difficulty, but sir, yes, sir, if anybody want to learn, they will learn definitely, sir.
Good habit I saw in this boy. I noticed that every day he used to read a book named चंपक, जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत ट्रोल भी किया जाता है कि प्रकाश सर तो खाली चंपक ही पढ़ाते हैं. चंपू बच्चों को. So what I'm telling you is what good habit I noticed in this boy, that he used to read a book named Champak in English every day, even after the batch time there at Adda, Spoken English Adda or here. So this is a very good habit. I will suggest this to everyone. Read every day. Find out the difficult words. Highlight them. What? Highlight them with a highlighter or a pencil and learn the difficult words and try to practice this every day. That is the best practice. He used to do it every day. Is it true?
Yes, sir. Now, sir, right now,
And
sir.
one disclaimer, he is not expert. Even I am not an expert. He is learning. I am also learning. Somehow he is able to speak in English. Wherever he goes, he will be able to communicate with people in English easily. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Earlier this was very difficult.
I am even, sir. I am not do conversation in English. I am unable to do conversation in English.
हिंदी में कितनी कंफर्टेबल थे आप लोगों से बात करने में पहले?
In Hindi also, I feel hesitate and I feel shy. I was.
Now do you feel confident talking to people?
Yes, sir.
Very good. How much changes do you see in yourself?
In myself, if I see changes, I not see only in English level. I see on personality level also, in confidence also, and because of this environment, what I tell, sir, in means I see positivity in myself.
Positivity.
Yes, sir.
What kind of positivity do you see in yourself?
Like, sir, always I am ready to update myself.
Told me that you update your cell phones only. Software update, Wi-Fi password लेके आप करते हैं केवल.
Sir, I update myself, sir.
How do you update yourself? Can you explain, please?
Yes, sir. Now, sir, I am learning. I am learning about finance nowadays.
Learning about finance also.
Sir.
Why are you learning about finance, and where did you get this idea to learn and talk about finance?
Because of coaching environment, sir, I get interested in finance. And earlier, I think that I heard about share market, but I am not interested, and I think that that is gamble. But, sir, once you explain, then I think no, that is true. I should research on it, or maybe it good for us. So then I.
Also he irritated me a lot. Sir, finance सीख ले. Yes sir, सीख ले. हाँ, सट्टा तो नहीं है ये. भाई को अपने सिखा दे. हाँ, सिखा दे कि नहीं सिखा दे. हाँ. So before learning anything, he used to irritate a lot to me. But nowadays he is learning about finance and quite good. He has a Demat account also.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure that you will learn about finance very soon.
Yes, sir. I will try, sir.
How many self-help books have you read so far?
Sir, because of, sir, syllabus, or right now I am preparing for competitive exam, so I have a little less time, sir. So I read one self-help book. That name is Attitude is Everything, sir. Written
You
by
have read the book Attitude is Everything. That's great. And in that book there is a very good book, that is Men Search for a Meaning.
Yes, sir. Meaning.
So it's a great book. Have you read this book?
No, sir. I not read, but when I read Attitude is Everything.
Then I came
sir,
to know about that book.
Yes, sir. Then I came to know about Man Search for His Meaning, written by Viktor Franklin, sir.
Thank you. What is your suggestion to these students? What should they do to learn English and transform their personality? What is your suggestion?
If, sir, they will work hard, they will read every day, and they come coaching every day, sir, and whatever the instruction given by you, sir, if they are follow, they will definitely learn. Because I am also learn. I am also learn because I follow your all suggestions. That is why, sir.
So it's more difficult to learn English here at My Career Doctor.
Sir, it's quite easy, sir, because here is.
Is it easy because you learn English, or it is easy because seriously it is easy?
No, sir. It is seriously easy because why I tell you, sir? Because I am from Hindi medium background, sir.
Why do you always tell I'm from Hindi medium? I'm from everyone says I'm from. You see today in the polo ground there was a boy. He used to say, "Minute, I'm from Hindi medium. I'm from." Remember that? Yeah. Major Dhyanchand Gyanchand. So he was telling him many times, "I'm from." Why do you say I'm from Hindi medium? Is it a curse? Being a Hindi medium student? क्या ये अभिशाप है? Then why do you tell?
No, sir. I tell because these guys get confidence.
These guys will get
Confidence.
How many of you are from Hindi medium? Raise your hands. How many of you are from Hindi medium? Very good job. Shubham, English medium. Very good job. Clap for Shubham. ईमानदारी से. This is in the last. Any message for our viewers? Any message?
Yes,
Look
sir.
there. Any message?
Sir, I improve my English because I put a lot of.
Say I improve. फिर लोग मुझे गाली देंगे. Say I am improving. मैं सीख रहा हूँ.
Yes,
मैं.
sir. I am.
तुम में पहले गलतियां निकालेंगे, फिर मुझ में भी निकालेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का तो काम है केवल गलतियों को ढूंढना. वो हार्ड वर्क नहीं देखेंगे कि ये बच्चा कितना मेहनत किया है. वो ये हार्ड वर्क नहीं देखेंगे कि 9 महीने में 5 महीने गायब ही रहा. ओ सॉरी, ये नहीं बोलना था. वो सिर्फ ये देखेंगे कि गलती कर रहा है. क्या देखेंगे? गलती कर रहा है. ठीक है. एनीथिंग एल्स?
Sir, I want to give the answer, sir, which is asked by you, sir. Asking. Sir, you asked now that English is seriously easy. So that is why I tell I am from Hindi medium background, because if I tell these guys will get confidence. Hindi medium student, they in their mind they think that I am from Hindi medium background, so I can't learn. And same thing, sir, in my mind also. But
इनके दिमाग में भी यही चीज था कि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूं तो इंग्लिश सीख ही नहीं पाऊंगा. एंड वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू वन थिंग ऑनेस्टली, ये किसी भी तरह का कोई प्रमोशन नहीं है, जो है आपके सामने है. जब ये यहां से जाए बाहर तो पूछ लेना कि भाई ये बात सच है या गलत है. जब ये आया था सीरियसली मुझे दिमाग शुभम से भी ज्यादा दिमाग चाट जाता था मेरा. इधर जाऊं तो सर मैं कब सीखूंगा, उधर जाऊं तो मैं कब सीखूंगा, ऑफिस में बैठा हूं तो मैं कब सीखूंगा. मैं इसको कई बार तो हाथ जोड़ लेता था, माफ कर दो, जैसे पोलो ग्राउंड में आज नहीं कर रहा था. कई बार तो मैं बोला मनी साहब माफ कर दो. मैं इसको मारना नहीं चाहता था कभी थप्पड़, तो इसी वजह से ऐसा ये हुआ.
sir,
उस दिन को याद करो और आज बताओ और अंजलि से बोलो आसान है.
yes sir, आसान है sir.
तो बाउंस बैक, टेल हर समथिंग. इज इट इजी और डिफिकल्ट?
It is quite easy if you will work hard. You will definitely speak, and you will speak more fluent than me.
Manish, I wish you all the best. Manish Shankar ji, thank you very much. I wish you all the best and I wish that you must learn about finance. एक और अच्छी बात. What do you think about yoga and meditation and fitness? What was your perception before joining this coaching about yoga, fitness, and what is your perception right now?
Sir, earlier I think that I am not fatty man, so why I should?
I'm very lean and thin. I am very
lean and.
Hello, cameraman. हाँ.
I am very lean and thin. So why should I take yoga? If I take yoga, I become more thin. So it is
इसको
not.
डर ये था कि अगर मैं योगा करेगा तो और दुबला पतला हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए ये डर से कर ही नहीं रहा था. एक दिन कूट दिया, फिर उसके बाद ये करने लगा. 10 दिन के अंदर ही लर्नड हेड स्टैंड. कैन यू बिलीव? हेड स्टैंड करके दिखाओ सब, यहां पर कुर्सी पर करके दिखाओ. डू इट देयर. He'll do it right now, you see. ये पैनल मत तोड़ देना. हाँ नीचे. He'll do it right now on chair. Clap for this. He is doing it right now. पहले इसको डर था कि अगर मैं योगा करूंगा ना तो दुबला पतला हो जाऊंगा, लेकिन इसका डर खत्म हुआ और इसने 10 दिन में शीर्षासन सीख लिया। और अब मनीष बुलेट पर भी कर लेते हैं शीर्षासन, ट्रैक्टर के टायर पे कर लेते हैं। इज इट ट्रू? So he is able to do now and he has learned many more things. Do handstand also there? हाँ, do. He has learned a lot of things in yoga fitness. Do, try. Very good job, Manish. He is learning. So now he is, working hard on many sectors. The first is to develop his communication skills. Second, he is learning about finance. Third, he is practicing every day. He takes exercise every day. Fourth, he is preparing for competitive examinations. And fifth, he is doing graduate right now.
Yes, sir. And also, sir, right now I want to learn Hindi typing also.
Hindi
typing, sir.
Hindi typing also. Very good job. यही इसी को तो कहते हैं मेहनत। और पापा जी देखेंगे ये वीडियो, बोलेंगे नहीं बोल पाता है इंग्लिश, तो पापा जी का तो काम ही है गलती निकालना। अच्छी बात है, अगर निकाले तो उसमें अच्छी बात है। आपने सबसे पहले
घबराना नहीं है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट मनीष। गॉड ब्लेस यू। टेक केयर। कीप वर्किंग हार्ड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।